Happy New Year, guys! Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's John from Nebula AI back here with another video. I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas and New Year, and I hope you all had a great 2024 and a first week of 2025. It's going to be a great year ahead, and I'm really excited for 2025, and you should be too. AI is already growing at the speed of light, and you're doing yourself a huge favor by educating and preparing yourself for the AI revolution, which is already well underway. In this video, I want to talk about my journey as an AI agency owner, be clear and transparent on my struggles, how I was stuck, and eventually how I scaled my AI agency to 5 figures fast and attracted whale clients. So this is me right now in 2025, and this was me in 2024. So I hope you can get some value out of this video and get some clarity on the path that you choose for this year. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So a quick background on who I am. I'm John Park. I'm the founder of Nebula AI, an AI agency based in Australia. I help businesses scale using sophisticated AI agents, and I help businesses adopt in the AI revolution. I initially started out as a digital marketing agency doing social media ads and content for local businesses. However, I found myself limited by the commoditized offer, and I noticed a common problem amongst my clients. Even though I got them the leads, they were failing to convert them into paying clients. Turns out the reason was that they weren't reaching out to leads quickly enough. They were understaffed, they were too busy working, and they couldn't pick up the phone. And when they did reach out, most were either uninterested, they forgot, or they went with another competitor, or they weren't even qualified in the first place. And then around the time ChatGPT came out, I tried it out and I was absolutely blown away by it. And I thought, what if I could master ChatGPT and AI and help businesses leverage it to achieve their goals? That's how I transitioned into an AI agency. I thought it would be an easy journey and more fun than playing video games. Well, I was completely wrong. The struggle is real, and you'll be able to relate to this. When I transitioned into AI agency, I fell into the mistake of jack of all trades. I tried to be the AI master who knew everything about AI and I could solve everybody's problems using AI. However, this was a huge mistake, and I spread myself too thin and I was not successful at all. In fact, I was completely burned out and I was exhausted and I was crushed and overwhelmed by the excessive number of AI tools and different solutions and the different problems that businesses face. And because I tried to be the AI master that tried to offer everything to everyone and forced everybody to use AI, this ended up being a very complex, customized offer. Focusing on complex, customized offer to every business that I met, regardless of the niche, was extremely exhausting and time-consuming to deliver, and I was eventually burnt out. And I was spamming cold outreach to every business that I could find. I was just spamming out thousands of DMs and cold emails to businesses, hoping for somebody to say yes. And I relied solely on cold outreach to find clients, which, looking back in hindsight, was not a wise choice at all. And don't get me wrong, I'm not saying you shouldn't do cold outreach. I'm not saying it doesn't work, but I'm just saying that it's extremely time consuming and exhausting, and you shouldn't rely on it as your only way of generating leads. And this is a mistake that many people starting out in AI agency often make. They don't build anything until they find a client ready to buy. They focus solely on outreach while they look for clients, and once they do find a client, they start to build. But I found that this was a counterintuitive method, and I don't recommend this at all. So I was completely exhausted and overwhelmed. I felt bad and terrible for not achieving much, for wasting so much time. It was a very difficult time and the struggle was painful. Until I decided to change the direction that I was going, and I did this one thing that I'm about to show you to change my trajectory and overcome my struggles. And so what I did was I built a laser-focused system that attracted and closed clients on autopilot. So this is made up of 4 steps. The first step is to find one problem to solve and provide one solution for that problem. And the second step was to build and show my work. And the third step was to post videos of my work, to build an audience to show my work and educate them, and to build my trust and to build my social proof. And the fourth step was to get the inbound leads from my YouTube videos and to strategically target it outbound. So I target leads that are genuinely interested and likely to buy, not just any random business that might be interested in AI. The first step I took was to focus on one problem. Identify and define one crucial issue businesses were facing. This can be sales or social media content, for example. And then what you want to do is to research everything you can about that problem and what AI tools can be used and how they can help. Then you master those tools to be able to deliver the best possible solution to solve their problems. Businesses, at the end of the day, they want their critical problems to be solved. They don't care about the latest shiny object. In my case, I decided to solve the sales problem. I decided to help businesses increase their booking rate, book more appointments, and ultimately increase their revenue by using AI agents. And so I built AI agents, both inbound and outbound, to handle all the calls that a business requires to help them ultimately convert more leads into paying clients and to increase their revenue and increase their conversion rates. So I mastered tools like Make.com for automations, VAPI and retail for building voice AI, and I mastered prompt engineering for ChatGPT. And if you're ready to go and ready to learn more about how AI agents can benefit your business, then feel free to book a free discovery call down in the description below. And the second step I took was to build the AI agents first. You know how graphic designers, web designers, they build up their portfolio to show to other people, to show to businesses what they're capable of and what they can do and the work that they've done so far? It's basically their sales tool. It's no different for AI agency owners and for developers. So as an AI agency owner, you got to develop something first to showcase to businesses, to show what AI is capable of and what results that you can deliver for them. And my main mistake was thinking that I can just make something once I get a client. It's a waste of time until I get a client. Well, that's completely wrong. You got to make something to actually show to businesses what you're capable of. So this was the second step that I took. So what I did was first I designed and built an AI agent based around a pain point. I built an AI agent that specifically solves sales problems for businesses. So I developed an AI appointment setter that immediately reaches out to leads within 1 minute of opt-in. So literally within 1 minute of expressing interest to a business, the AI outbound appointment setter would reach out to the lead and do its magic. It would do the appointment setting, it would qualify the lead, it would nurture them and educate them about you and your business, and it would book in an appointment if they were qualified and genuinely interested. So the AI appointment setter is just one example of an AI agent. Another example of an AI agent that I built was an AI inbound receptionist. So it's basically a receptionist but powered by AI. So the AI receptionist would take all inbound calls from customers to answer their general inquiries and also make bookings for them. This is especially applicable to dentists that have a high call volume and answer general inquiries. They answer the same question like 100 times a day and then also book in appointments for the patient. You make sure that they're ready for deployment. You're ready to showcase it as a demo. So you got to prepare it to show it to potential customers and to prospects. So this is basically the proof of what you are capable of and what results that you can deliver, like I said. Your portfolio is your sales tool, simple as that. And you might be thinking that you could just bullshit your way through a sales call. You think you can just sell them on whatever you can. But the thing is, emotions create demand and logic creates sales. So the AI agents or the portfolio that you build provides the logic. And that ultimately convinces them to buy, rather than trying to convince them of the million benefits that they'll get from buying your product and then saying, just trust me, bro. With the proof, with the portfolio that you provide, you don't have to bullshit your way. You don't have to fake it till you make it. You don't have to convince them of anything. They see it and they're convinced by it. And furthermore, this is scalable. So by building a portfolio of AI agents, I was able to quickly productize my AI agent offer and be able to quickly deploy it to many businesses. Having a customized offer every single time, it was extremely exhausting. Just starting from scratch and taking so long to build, taking so long for testing, trial and error, and optimization. Well, those days are long gone now for me. Thanks to my productized offer of AI agents, I just have an army of AI agents that are ready to go. Step 2, please build your portfolio. It will save you so much time and stress in the long run, and it will make things much easier for you. Trust me. And by building a portfolio of AI agents, I was able to package them all into a network of AI agents and automations into an infrastructure. I call it the AI sales infrastructure. It's an end-to-end comprehensive solution that solves the entire sales process for service-based businesses from start to finish. And the main benefits of an AI sales infrastructure is the automated qualification, the AI-driven communication, handling both inbound and outbound calls efficiently, and it streamlined the process so you save time and money and you actually see an improvement in results. So you get tenfold results without spending tenfold. So you probably would have seen me talk about this many times already, and I won't go over it in huge detail, but I'll quickly go over it, and I'll leave a link up here for the full video going over this entire AI sales infrastructure. AI sales infrastructure, it provides the entire system. So first, you want to generate leads through Facebook ads conventionally, but AI can support lead generation by having an inbound receptionist to answer calls from leads and book appointments for them. And also AI agents can do lead database reactivation, so it can go through your entire list of leads that you have interacted with in the past year or so, tell them about your new offer, see if they're still interested, and book in some appointments with them. And trust me, that is extremely valuable. It's like finding diamonds in a mine. You'll only find a few diamonds, but those few diamonds make it worth it. And for appointment setting, so this is what most service-based businesses struggle with, and this is where the AI sales agent comes into play. This is where AI agents can reach out to your leads literally within 1 minute of expressing interest. They can do the appointment setting, they can qualify the leads and nurture them. So sales, this is something that you do yourself, but AI will support you at this stage, so do not worry. AI will provide automated reminders to the leads to reduce no-show rate, and AI will provide an automated summary of the prospect, so you can see everything about the prospect and learn everything that you need to know about them, their business, their situation. And so by the time you're at the appointment, you know everything that you need to know about the prospect, even if you've never spoken to them before. And after the appointment, AI will generate a report of how the appointment went, and it can give you feedback and help you improve your sales skills. And then there's fulfillment. So this is something that you do yourself, but AI will provide data analysis, so you know exactly where to improve on, and also you'll have more time to focus on providing a better service, because all of these calls that you need to make will be handled by the AI agents. And retention is the final part of the AI sales infrastructure. So what you want to do is keep the client on as long as possible and maximize the LTV rather than going through different clients every single month. And the way AI agents can help you at retention is by deploying an AI customer service rep and also deploying an AI surveyor, so outbound surveys to collect feedback and do market research. So yeah, that was the AI sales infrastructure in a nutshell for you. So it provides an entire bridge for your sales process from start to finish. And so what I did was I packaged my entire portfolio of AI agents into an AI sales infrastructure to help businesses support their sales process from start to finish. And if this is something that you're interested in, or if you know someone that might be, then feel free to book a call with me down in the description below. And the third step is content creation. Now that I've created my portfolio of AI agents, I want to show it to the world. So what I did was I decided to post regularly on social media, including LinkedIn and YouTube, which I am doing right now. I created compelling demo videos showcasing the AI agents and its capabilities in action. And I posted educational content. So I focused on pre-selling leads through valuable insights and educational content. And by providing educational content and valuable information, you position yourself as the expert in that area, and you build the social proof and the trust, and people will like you more and people will subscribe to you and follow you. And I cannot say this enough, and I see so many people not doing it, but content is king. Content is absolutely 100% essential in today's world. I see so many agencies that refuse to post content and they just decide to focus entirely on outreach, but that is a huge mistake. I'm not telling you to stop cold outreach. I'm saying you need to post content as well. And the thing is, personal brand makes you stand out, and trust nowadays is at an all-time low. And by posting your content, building your following, and building your personal brand, you are differentiating yourself, you're positioning yourself as the expert, and you're making it so much easier to get leads. Nothing can replace your personal brand, not even AI. Anybody can send out cold outreach messages, and nowadays even AI can automate that, but nothing can replace you, your content, or your personal brand. So if you're not doing it right now, please get started. So you build content to drive traffic to your page and to build trust and authority within your audience, and you want to position yourself as the expert in your field. And with content creation and personal branding, you will get more inbound leads and you will have more referrals. So I've met so many great people through content creation and personal branding. I had people reach out, both people that just wanted to be friends or people that wanted to work with me. I got to network and I got to meet so many other different people, and I've met other amazing agency owners and they've all been wonderful. And the thing is, we've become quite close now, and later on I'm going to join them in some international networking events later this year, which I'm really excited for. And that was all thanks to personal branding. That would not have been possible if I wasn't posting content. I got the whale clients, like I mentioned, with 5-figure projects, so they were all inbound YouTube leads. And I wouldn't even have thought of getting those if I was just doing cold outreach. I got them thanks to YouTube, and that is exactly the power of content creation. It's got all the upsides with no downsides. And for content, I implemented the AI content infrastructure that Shaz Matthew has taught me and discusses on his YouTube channel. So if you don't know who Shaz is, he's a good friend of mine. He helps businesses get leads through YouTube. And as you can see here, he collected 100K in 4 months using YouTube and AI. Shout out to Shaz for the content infrastructure and for teaching me about your content infrastructure and for helping me grow on YouTube. You're a great guy. So guys, if you have the time, please check out Shaz's channel up here. And I went over this in a previous video, but I'll just quickly go over it anyway. So what you want to do is you want to think about what your ideal client wants, what they search on YouTube, what they like to watch on YouTube, and you want to create content based on that. And the thing is, when you post content, you don't have to write separate content or film separate reels for Instagram or LinkedIn or whatever. You can just record one YouTube video and repurpose it for different platforms, whether it's on your blog, whether it's on LinkedIn or X or Instagram, one YouTube video is enough. So I just record 2 YouTube videos a week. I repurpose those into different formats for different platforms, and that builds my following on the other platforms. I funnel them back into my YouTube channel, and then my YouTube channel books me sales calls with new leads. And so this is basically a flywheel of content. And then you want to convert the leads from your YouTube and from your other platforms with converting funnels and backend automations. So you want to build a landing page, a VSL, and a book call function. And then this is where AI agents step in once again. So basically, I've just shown you the magic of content and why content creation and personal branding is so important. And once again, shout out to Shaz. And guys, please check out Shaz's video here once again. And the fourth and final step is scaling with inbound leads and targeted outreach. This was a result of me posting content regularly and by doing outreach that's targeted and strategic, not just simply spamming out a million DMs and emails. So with content, you get inbound leads. You don't have to chase the leads anymore. You don't have to spam cold emails and cold DMs. Instead, the leads will come to you. And the leads that you'll get, they're actually very high quality leads. They're leads that are genuinely interested in you. They've seen your content. When you do outreach, you do strategic targeted outreach. You reach out to the warm leads that have interacted with your content and have shown some interest in you and your content, and they will be much more likely to convert than a complete stranger. And the thing is, none of this would be possible if you don't post content. So if you're not posting content right now, please start as soon as possible. Every day you don't post is every day that you miss out on a potentially life-changing client. And so that was it for this video. You can get started right now. Start building your systems with these 4 steps to get unstuck. And you need to stay consistent. The results will come. Trust the process. And the only way to fail is by quitting. Please don't give up. I've seen so many people give up in the agency space in the past year, and it's really sad to see people just give up. People just giving up their potential, giving up the process because it's a little hard. Business is hard, but it's worth it in the end. If business was easy, everybody would be doing it, and it wouldn't be worth it. So after this video, I want you to start building your systems with the 4 steps. Just remember the 4 steps. 1, find the problem. 2, build your portfolio. 3, start posting content. 4, start engaging with your warm leads. And if you're ready to start working with me and you want AI agents built out for you, or if you want the entire AI sales infrastructure built out for your business, or if you know somebody that might be interested, then feel free to book your free discovery call down in the description below to see if we are a good fit and how AI agents can help you and your business. I recently launched a new consultation offer. So now I offer a 1-hour one-on-one consulting calls where I provide personalized advice specifically to your business. And you want to see how AI can specifically help your business, then feel free to book the consultation call down in the description below. So that was it for this video. I have some exciting videos coming very soon, so please stay tuned, and please leave a like if you found this video useful, and please leave a subscribe, and please stay tuned for the next upcoming videos that will be really exciting and worth the value. I promise you that. And once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.